Mattress makers don't want you to know this. This is the hotel's secret for removing mattress stains. Since I learned this, I only clean my mattress this way. Take a container and add 1 liter of water, 1 tablespoon of liquid soap of any brand, 2 tablespoons of 70% alcohol, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. Mix everything very well. Use a clean towel and soak it in the mixture. Place the towel on the mattress, put the iron on top, and make a wrap. Then, pass this over the mattress several times to ensure it's thoroughly clean. Today's shout-out is for Mariela Acevedo from Colombia. Besides cleaning the mattress, this also kills mites and bacteria, significantly improving hygiene. This method helps you avoid dust and pests that mattresses typically have. Now tell me, I know how to clean my mattress. If this helped, share it with your friends and let me know from 1 to 10 how much you liked it. Your feedback is welcome and appreciated.